Hello all, this is Karthikeyan. I was the founding chair of the Material Advantage student chapter at NIT Trichy. So we are relatively a young chapter. We had our formal inauguration in the month of January 2020, which means that we are just 8 months old. And we started this chapter with the sole purpose of creating a connectedness among the future metallurgists and material scientists through networking. And it is also our aim to serve as a platform which enables networking with people in the academia as well as the industry. So we also want our members to get a global exposure through connections with other fellow Material Advantage chapters across the globe. In my very short tenure as the chairman of this chapter, we had 3 speakers from the academia and a speaker from industry. So I sincerely hope that our chapter continues in its journey towards creating a global connected materials community, which will in turn enable the creation of a better world through innovation in materials. Thank you.
Hello everyone. I'm Pranav, a chair of NIT Trichy chapter. So first of all, we are a very new chapter. We are just 6 months old. We are very young. So yeah, we have planned for many events in this year, and one of them is peer discussion. So what do you mean exactly by peer discussion? Is like a person who's specialized in that area or who knows that concept really well takes a lecture on that concept or area, and every other member gets to learn from that lecture. So basically in this thing, both the person who's giving the lecture and the person who's listening to the lecture are benefited, because like the person has to refer to a lot of things in order to give a lecture, and the person who's watching this lecture gets to learn a new concept. So in this way it is beneficial to both of them. So that's what we have planned. And then the topic for these lectures can be, mostly we prefer topics that are related to metallurgy and material science, and then sometimes we also take lectures on topics like topics that are related to soft skills. So basically like professional development or Microsoft Excel and a lot of things like that. So, and by the time you guys are watching this, first lecture of this series would have been done. So hope this benefits every member of our chapter. So, yeah.
Hey guys, this is Manan Suraya, the Vice Chairman of Material Advantage Chapter NIT Trichy. First of all, I would like to say that although our chapter is young, we are planning to organize a lot of events for the entire year, which will be beneficial to every member of the chapter, especially the first years. I remember when we just entered the second year after the first year, it was like a punch between our eyes, because we weren't very familiar with the topics going on. The first years enrolled in this chapter, however, won't be facing such a problem, because they will be familiarized with some of the topics they will be formally studying in the following years. Besides that, they will also be interacting with industry experts, faculty members, seniors, and getting their doubts solved, identifying the areas of interest, which becomes very critical when you have to select your internship in the second and third years. So overall, the first years will undergo an entire holistic development in the department, and they'll also get pretty well versed with how the department works, how their subjects are, and what they will be studying over the course of this BTech program.
My name is Shakti Gnanavel, Secretary of NIT Trichy chapter. As we are new to this chapter, we are planning to conduct more guest lectures as well as workshops through online mode. and we are also coordinating with people in academia as well as industry, so that people in this chapter will also get introduced to more about metallurgy, and they will also sort out their interests, which will make them a good metallurgist.
Hi guys, I'm Subisha, the treasurer of this chapter. So we guys truly believe that with power comes responsibility. So we have promised to take up the social responsibility of bringing awareness to the school students in our locality about this field, that is metallurgical and materials engineering. The awareness about this field in India is quite low when compared to the other streams like computer science, engineering or mechanical engineering. While those branches produce about lakhs of undergraduates, metallurgical and materials engineering is able to produce only hundreds of students. So we plan to educate these students about this particular field so that a lot of people take up this field and it will lead to the overall development of the nation. Thank you.